Frustrated because your Mercury bank account refuses to link with Plaid? Let's fix that. Plaid acts as a secure bridge between your Mercury account and tons of apps, from Venmo to budgeting tools. What happens when that bridge collapses? Let's troubleshoot first. Double-check your Mercury username and password. A simple typo can cause connection failure. Make sure you're using the correct credentials you use to log directly into your Mercury account, and that you haven't recently updated them. Next, ensure both your Mercury app and any third-party app you're connecting with are updated to the latest versions. Outdated software can cause compatibility issues with Plaid. Head to your app store and hit that update button. Banks often have enhanced security protocols. Mercury might be requiring multi-factor authentication, like a code sent to your phone. Before allowing Plaid to connect, keep an eye out for any prompts from Mercury asking you to verify the connection. If you have two-factor authentication enabled on your Mercury account, make sure you have your device handy to approve the connection. Sometimes, it's just a temporary hiccup. Plaid or Mercury servers might be experiencing high traffic or maintenance. Wait a few hours and try connecting again. Patience can be a virtue here. If none of these solutions work, reach out to Mercury support directly. They can provide personalized assistance and identify any specific issues with your account that might be preventing the connection. Look for the help or support section within your Mercury dashboard, or visit the Mercury website for contact information. Connecting your Mercury account to Plaid should be smooth sailing from here. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips.